Hi, folks. This is Lee Gettess with the Market Sense for the week of February 21st, 2012. As always, the charts from this presentation come from the Trade Navigator software by Gettess Financial Technologies. First chart is the weekly bond market, and I could have repeated the same thing for about the last 3 months here. The bonds are just sideways, nothing more. If I looked at this pattern strictly on a technical basis, it looks like they're probably showing distribution and ready to break down. However, when you have a Fed that has pretty much said we're going to keep interest rates low all the way through 2014, you have to wonder just how hard this can break. Gosh, I don't know. We just got to wait and see what happens, I guess. The area they're hanging around right in this area here, 141.16 is the midpoint there, the blue line, red line, all kinds of other stuff right there. We've got 142.24 above the market. If they break down the previous swing lows here in the 140.20 area, but obviously there's more swing lows in the sideways pattern that could also come in as support. If they really get chugging, this is 144.08 up here in this area. None of those things would be surprising. None of them would be very exciting either. The exciting move is going to come when they either break down or blow out to the upside. A breakdown looks more likely, but if you've ever heard the statement about fighting the Fed, it doesn't make the breakdown would have to be fighting the Fed, so I'm not sure how likely that is. Moving into stocks, we sure don't have sideways here. We've got a little escalator going up and have had all year. The volatility remains low, but the move remains relentless, and what are you going to do about it? We've got resistance in the 1370 area up here above the market. Support down here just above 1350. Let's call it 1352, right in that area. The next stop below that's around 1340, and below that 1320. I'd really like to see a back off at least down to this red line. You can see how long it's been since they've been that low. I'd like to see them have some sort of turn down so that we have something to analyze other than just this straight line up. But they're showing no signs of topping out yet, so it's just a waiting game, waiting for them to show something. Just a personal bias, I suppose, but I find it awfully difficult to just buy them up here because I don't really know how to control the risk. I don't know where you'd put your stop. When do you know you're wrong? So hopefully they'll give us a swing and something to analyze at some point, but boy, I just don't see anything that suggests they're topping out right now. So that's what we've got for you today. Hope you can find something profitable to get yourself into. Thanks for looking to see what we think, and good luck.